This is a drywaller at work over 50 years ago. Compared to the modern technology we use today, it's mind-blowing how far we have come. In 1961, a company named Black & Decker invented cordless power tools. The drywall trade didn't change too much straight away. It was certainly nice to screw things with a cordless drill, but some people still used hammer and nail as it was cheap. Then, we introduced the auto feeding systems. This was an attachment for your drill that sped your time fixing the sheets up exponentially. Now, you could load strips of screws into your drill and automatically fire them at will. Also, you could use one hand to hold the sheet into place while you screwed it with the auto feeder in your other hand. Previously, you would have to try and load loose screws onto the end of your drill while holding the sheet in place, which was backbreaking. It often resulted in holding up heavy sheets for way longer than necessary. The next major leap was when the heavens opened up and sent us the drywall router. This changed how we drywall completely. This cutting-edge tool allowed you to cut your openings out after you installed the board. The finished result was beautiful, extremely clean cuts that looked super professional. Electrical boxes also became a breeze. You can run the router around the edge of the boxes and create perfectly tight cuts. Drywalling is one of the toughest jobs on site. The combination of dust, heavy lifting, and awkward maneuvering makes it a job that humans probably shouldn't do. Every day, these men handle hundreds of heavy sheets. How much further can technology take us to make our job easier? With tight spots to measure, heavy, awkward maneuvers, and a decent amount of initiative needed, robots probably wouldn't be able to replace us. Or would they? This is the drywall robot. At this very early stage, it's hard to picture these machines will ever be able to take our place. But I definitely think there's a chance. If we look back 50 years ago at cars, mobile phones, and even something like hospitals, you will quickly see how far 50 years can really take us. Will this be the same case with the drywall robot? In 50 years from now, will it have functions to get into the tight spots that make this a human-dominant job? Will it be able to reach the awkward heights and make the tiny adjustments needed to keep things square? Will it be able to load out the materials with triple the carry load? Only time will tell. Let me know what you think in the comments. Will we be replaced?